Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to move your XRP between exchanges like KuCoin and Coinbase. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to transfer XRP from KuCoin to Coinbase. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transfers are irreversible. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and Coinbase, and that you have some XRP in your KuCoin wallet. Start by logging into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallets, section and find your XRP balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal options. Next, you'll need to get your XRP deposit address from Coinbase. Log into your Coinbase account, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the deposit address. Remember, XRP uses the XRPL network, so ensure you're selecting the correct network to match. Mismatches can lead to lost funds. Now, back on KuCoin, select Withdraw for XRP. Paste the Coinbase address into the withdrawal form. Double-check that the address is correct. One wrong character could send your XRP into the void. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but be mindful of any withdrawal fees. KuCoin might charge a small fee, and network fees could apply too. After that, you'll see a confirmation screen. Review all the details one last time, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. KuCoin will process your request, and you'll get a transaction ID. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, hop back to Coinbase and refresh your XRP wallet. You should see your transferred amount appear. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and check the transaction status using the ID on a blockchain explorer. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely on Coinbase. Always prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication on both platforms and never share your private keys. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.